Prep Test 68, Game 1, Question 3. Which of the following must be true? Let's pull up our limited options again, and just as a reminder, we can't place L or M here, we can't place M here. And that's because the earliest possible spot for K is right here in A1, and combined with that rule, it limits L and M. So which of the following must be true? K is in the evening. We've already shown that K cannot go in any of the final three spaces because that wouldn't leave room for L and M to follow it, so that cannot be true. L is in the afternoon. L could be in the afternoon, certainly. Does it have to be true? Well, could we place L here? No. We've already ruled that out. Could we place L in the morning? No, we've already ruled that out. So this one's looking pretty good so far. L in the evening, we've ruled out. M in the morning, we've ruled out. And M in the afternoon, the only possible place that M could go in the afternoon would be here in A3. And that would be if we had K and L in those two positions. So it could be true that M is in the afternoon, but the question asks us which must be true. And we also know that if we didn't place M there in A3, we could place it right here in E2. So it doesn't have to be true, and that leaves B as our only certain truth.